Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to review some another PRs on the Laravel framework. I hope these videos are helpful for you, and if you have uh, any suggestion or criticism, you can add a comment on the video. Okay, let's go. One PR is a narrowed down array type for attributes in the class attributes. It's very easy to understand what is this. If you want to, for example, Java. If you know about generic, you can search or use a ChatGPT to know about this. But I say a little about this. Let's find a good here. For example, here say a list or array. For example, a array of object. For example, you can say parameter must be, for example, array, but you can't say in the PHP, you can't say in the array what type are must exist. For example, you say array para or array, for example, names, but you can't say in the array names for example just a string. Well, here in the param say attributes must be array, and the array can string or mixed. I think can say just mix is better, but for the key is a string, and also for set here is a string and mixed. And the array, for example, for the attributes must be let's wait for I open a PHP store and come back. Okay, I make a new PHP file to get an example for the generic in the programming and also in the PHP doc. For example, I make a function, for example, get or echo authors, and here pass for example authors and justice, and here in the PHP doc for example echo all authors. For the parameter for authors, I say just array, and here for example echo authors and data. For example, here in the data it must be array, just array. I can't say anything. For example, I want to say name is Milvad, and for example the age is 70, but I want to say we must key and the value must be a string. You can use the generic is a string is for the key, and here is the int. And when some developers use, for example, echo authors, he say it's an array and it must be a string and int, and he know about what data must be sent for the echo authors. And but PHP by default there isn't support a generic, it's just for a PHP doc. But for example Java or I think Dart or Go, you can you can use the generic for this. But one package I think can give you access to use generic in the PHP, but is a package, is not by default in the PHP. And just this, it's generic, I don't need. Here is mine PR. Add test for assert view has all method. Let's see. Okay, it's make a mock response, and I test the assert view has all or work correctly. The data is 4 and the values must be bar, and the test response coverage 100%, and I need this. Fix a schedule list to display name jobs. When you are use the schedule test or run command, show the, for example, a schedule name here, and for the closure also here I can open closure, for example add eliminate console and a schedule, but there is not correct. When you, with this PR say the correct name, test job hourly or daily, is very better to show the name job. Here use the get summary for display, and check if is closure or callback. The command is closure at the, for example, location, and that's it. And also add some tests about the schedule, and the output must be here. Pluralization typo in the queue clear command output. When, for example, you have a one job to display, or for clear from the queue, it show one jobs, and it's a plural, but it must be show the one job, it's not plural. And he fixed this. Use the string and plural job and count. If, for example, it's job is 2 job, change it to jobs. But if it's just 1, it's just job. And that's it. Here is a small test fixes. These PR are not changed. It's just change the name of the test, because it's a test, and the validation with the capital V, but it's not with the capital V, and here is correct, and just this. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. Until next video, goodbye.